Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sofian Hamdini from the regular class Civil Engineering Study Program. I would like to present about editorial skill in English Public Binder Basic Language Learning PBL Editing. Pastor Mr. Dr. Jajulfa MPD. Editing short article written by Ma'alif R.A. Editor by Muhammad Sofian Hamdini, Regular Class Civil Engineering. Introduction. In this video, I will explain about a short article that has been written by M. Alif R.A. In this opportunity, I will examine some of the errors in this short article and change the original script with a script that has been edited by the editor. Before editing, this is a script before editing. Maybe there is quite a lot that has to be edited in the script. After editing, this is a script after editing. There are words or sentences that are written wrong as in the sentence. A break is a contraction that functions for traffic that is cut. Should be a break is construction which work for interpret traffic in the word safety stability. There should be and after the word safety. And also after the word English there should be a period contraction. Instruction. Use the red ink pen to mark your editorial findings. To word the name of manuscript writer within the box. Write your name as an editor within the editor box. Write the title of manuscript. Treat the draft as an accepted manuscript to the editorial department. Edit the manuscript by using the editorial sign. Add the number of your editorial findings, mechanical, substantive, pictorial within the book right side. Write your verbal verification, editor suggestion, comment, or input for the manuscript in front. Give your editorial judgment about manuscript from the perspective of pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, publishing, marketing, delivery. Good luck, be your best. Name, writer M. Alif R.A. Editor Muhammad Sofian Hamdini. Study program Civil Engineering. Mechanical editing types word. Break is a construction that functions for traffic that is cut. So remove the word to be a break is construction which work for interrupt traffic. Foundation system must be calculated to ensure the safety. Stability of the building above it. There might not be a partial or complete there in excess of the allowable limits. After the word substitution, the must be the word and the it will be a foundation system must be taken into account to ensure the safety and stability of the building on it. There must the no partial on content sentiment exceeding the allowable limit. Conclusion. 1. The consultants come from different areas. They can speak good English. Some consultants did a break check yesterday. Should be after the word English is a dot, the it would be. The consultants come from different areas. They can speak good English. Some consultants did a break check yesterday, comma. Number one, brick is a construction that foundation for traffic that is cut off at both ends due to obstacles. There must be a comma after the word cut. Then a break is a contraction that foundation for traffic that is cut off at both ends due to obstacles. Number two, the structure under the break is the foundation. A foundation system must be calculated to ensure the safety. It should be after the word foundation should be a comma, not a period. It's become the structure under the break is the foundation. The foundation system must be taken into account to ensure its safety. Substantive editing. Language consistency. The language that the author is quite good and the contents are easy to understand clearly. The author writes the that the use of breakers is needed by every citizen. Reader interest. Quite interested in the article that is read because it can be seen from the language that the author conveys. Verbal verification. In writing, there are several author mistakes, such as the error in the sentence. A break is a construction that functions for traffic that is cut, solve the word. Be removed and become at break it construction that functions for traffic that is cut. There is also a sentence. A foundation system must be calculated to ensure the safety, stability, stability of the building above it. There might not be a partial or complete desert in excess of the allowable limits. A foundation system must be calculated to ensure the safety and stability of the building above it. There might not be a partial or complete there is in excess of the allowable limits and the comma should be a period. Editorial judgment. I think the sentence by sentence that the author wrote is very good because it is easy for reader to understand. However, there are some words or sentence that I need to change or correct. But from the whole article, I really appreciated the author in crossing word by word or sentence by sentence. You can see that result of my editing of this short article through the personal blog that I have reached. Thank you for what this video. I hope the audience can learn from this video. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.